The Anua Heartleaf 70% Daily Relief Lotion is a lightweight, soothing lotion designed to calm irritated skin and provide long-lasting hydration. In this video, we'll be taking a deeper dive into its key ingredients and how to use this lotion properly in your skincare routine. The Anua Heartleaf 70% Daily Relief Lotion is formulated with 70% heartleaf extract, known for its calming and soothing properties. Heartleaf extract is also great at regulating your oil flow and helps stop acne-causing bacteria. Centella, another star ingredient in this lotion, aids in healing and rejuvenating the skin. It's known for its ability to speed up the skin's healing process, reduce scarring, and boost hydration. The lotion also contains 3 types of hyaluronic acid to deliver hydration on top of soothing and barrier repairing benefits to skin. This lotion is perfect for those with sensitive or irritated skin, as it helps to reduce redness and hydrate without feeling heavy. It's suitable for daily use and can be integrated into any skincare routine. Here's how to use the Daily Relief Lotion in your skincare routine. The lotion can be used both in the morning and evening. Start with a clean face using a gentle cleanser and wash off. Apply your toner, which is optional. Next, follow with any water-based serums, then oil serums. Apply 1 to 2 pumps of the Daily Relief Lotion onto your fingers and apply all over the face and neck. Use sunscreen to finish your morning routine. The Anua Heartleaf 70% Daily Relief Lotion is an excellent addition to your skincare routine, offering soothing hydration and calming benefits for sensitive skin. By incorporating it into your daily routine, you can achieve a more comfortable, hydrated, and calm complexion. If you want to learn more about the Anua range, then check out these videos here next.